I found another gaming crypto project that I think has a legit chance of doing 100x in a bull market. Let's see if you agree with me. Welcome back to the APY Guy channel. I try to bring you the best sources of passive income through farming and staking of blue chips and low market cap gems that could have huge gains in the next bull market. If any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe to the channel, drop a like on this video. I'd greatly appreciate it. Nothing on this channel or in this video is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. Okay, what is the name of this project? It is called Fabwelt. What is Fabwelt? Fabwelt is building the largest high-end gaming ecosystem on the blockchain. That's what they're claiming they're planning to do. It looks like they got a good start. We come down here, it says they want, they have three numbers here. They say number one is multiple high-end games. They currently have two working games, almost three. I'm actually playing one of them. I'll show you the one in a second. Play to earn and in-game NFTs. That's number two. And then three, all connected to a gaming verse. Those are the three steps that they're doing for their ecosystem. Okay, if we click here on where it says gaming, it's going to show the three games that are available. Arsenal is the one I'm playing. I'm actually playing it on mobile. It is play to earn. It's like a first-person shooter game, and you can earn the WELT token from playing the game by connecting your MetaMask to the mobile app. I've not played it on actual computer, the PC yet. I may do that soon. H2O is the other game that I believe is live. I have not played this game yet, but I will. If you guys are interested, leave in the comments. Maybe I can do a small gaming video and show you how the games work and how you can play to earn. And then Fanwelt. This is a little bit of a different type of thing. It says Fanwelt. Fanwelt's vision is to provide a comprehensive fantasy gaming platform that covers popular worldwide sports, giving users a fun and dynamic experience. The platform aims to stand out from the competition by offering a unique point system that allows users to pick players and create their own custom fantasy teams. Unlike other fantasy sports platforms, Fanwelt recognizes the importance of a well-designed point system in providing an enjoyable and engaging experience for players with its unique gameplay and customization options. Fanwelt is poised to provide users with a truly one-of-a-kind fantasy sports experience. I'm definitely interested in this. I do play like fantasy football and basketball, so I would definitely be interested to see what this was, and I would try it. Let's come down to the next section. Updates here. They're always updating things. I've been kind of watching this to see how active they are. So they are updating, everything that they do. We go to the roadmap. They do have a very active roadmap. Looks like they're 95% of the done with everything that they promised for Q3. Going into Q4, there's a bunch of different things here. Fanwelt beta launch, it looks like. Arsenal 2.0 is coming out. New NFT market. They're going to have like a whole NFT marketplace on their site as well. A lending portal, they're saying as well. And this is Q1 of 2024. Marketing phase 8, development of a 6th game. Esports tournaments, ambassador program. A lot of stuff that looks like. And they do have a fully doxed team. So everybody down here is doxed. They have their LinkedIn profiles. So that looks legit to me. And they have a bunch of different partners. And it is legit because I'm playing the game, currently. It's actually an enjoyable game. That's why if I get a couple people saying that they want to see the game, I will connect it to the and make a video of playing the game. It's the graphics are really good actually, and it's kind of fun to play. I'm not very good at it, but I wouldn't mind playing it online and showing you guys in a video. Take a look here. They do have the NFT marketplace up here. There's not a ton of stuff in here yet, but they do have latest NFTs. They show boats, jet skis. That's probably for that H2O game. and there's consumables, in-game assets. And I'm sure this is going to get better and better as it goes, obviously. And then they have a way that you can lend or rent. And then over here, there's an auction as well. So if we go back to here, to buy Welt, the way I've been buying it on Polygon, and I buy it on QuickSwap. That's been definitely the easiest way to do it. That's what I would suggest for you. You can also buy it on Binance Smart Chain. You can buy that on PancakeSwap. I like Polygon better. That's my go-to. We click on buy Welt. Let's see what happens here. I usually just go to, yeah, I'm not sure what this is doing. I just go to, let's see, and that's bright. Let's get that. Okay, let's go to QuickSwap. QuickSwap. Okay, click on QuickSwap.exchange. Then I'm going to go back here and I'm going to go to Fabwelt. I'm going to get the actual address. So if you go over here and you hit copy the address. I like QuickSwap, so I like Matic better than, or Polygon better than Binance Smart Chain, actually. All right, we'll connect our MetaMask wallet. Change this to Polygon. Hang with me here just a second. Polygon. Here we go. So if we go to swap, it'll be Matic, and then you'll paste in the Fabwelt address there. And here it is, the WELT token, WELT. Click on that, and then you would swap your Matic for WELT straight up. And then there is staking. That's why I really like this project. And the staking percentage is not huge, but it's decent. The actual price of the token right now is 1.2 cents. We're going to look at the tokenomics here in a second. But if we go to fabwelt.com, we can look at the staking. Okay, we can check out the staking here. But before we do that, I wanted to show you, I tried this swap and the slippage was so high. So that's why I went to QuickSwap, because QuickSwap had more liquidity and the slippage was a lot lower. There's no farms yet. It says they're all closed, so I didn't do any farming. I just did staking. The staking's not huge, but it's decent, 4.189% APY. And that's what I deposited into. So, you know, it being 1.9, we look at the pricing, the $2.794 million market cap, 1.2 cents right now. That doesn't take much to get this thing going. If we take a look at the calculator here, what would be a 100x? 100x would be 279 point, just a little over $250 million market cap. You know, if it has 5 or 6 or 7 good games, even 2 or 3 good games, actually, it could do that very easily in a bull market. That's why I'm saying, you know, there's a couple projects that I'm trying to find that are gaming, that do have staking, that can do a possible 100x. This, I think, is one of them. Down here, if we look, the circulating supply is 215 million. The total supply is 500 million. And it's play to earn, so it's got to have tokens to give out. So that's why the circulating supply is a little less than half of the total supply. So it is inflationary, but it's play to earn. So that's part of the reason why it is inflationary. The 7-day chart does show it had a run up, pretty good run up from 0.008 cents up to 0.016 cents. Pulled back a little today. Today and yesterday, it looks like. I'm DCAing into this. I'm staking. I'm playing that game a little bit at a time just to see how many tokens I can earn on that as well. I think it's a good project. I think it's really undervalued, 2.7 million. The one game that I played is good. I think it's good. I'm gonna say it's good. I'm gonna say it's decent, but it's better than decent. It's a good game. Considering the market cap of some of the gaming crypto projects in the last bull market, that didn't even have a game out, that were just based on purely speculation. If this thing has multiple good games, it could go fast. It could do like, something similar to what Axie did. I'm not gonna say that, crazy, but it could do similar. So 100x is definitely a possibility. If you guys want to see me try that game out on a video, leave that in the comments. If there are any other crypto gaming projects that you think are good, leave them in the comments of this video. I'm trying to come out with like 4 or 5 or 6 really good ones that possibly have some type of passive income or staking or play to earn aspect to them. So please leave those in the comments. I'd really appreciate it. I thank you for watching as always, and have a great day.